This is so cool. It's always exciting to get a used travel trailer on consignment. This will be the first time we look inside. Oh, come on. Oh, crap. Okay, let's try the back door. Normally I like to start in the front, but we'll go to the back. Oh, come on. Oh, no. Well, he said he lost the keys, but it was unlocked. So I'm like, all right, take off. I'll replace the locks, charge him. But this isn't good. All right, I got an idea. Okay, folks, but here's the thing. This idea, I want to fair warn you, especially if you have big windows in a trailer or a fifth wheel, this is why you secure them. So let's see if I can, okay, outside no. Oh, wait, there we go. I got it cracked open. There we go. Now, you see how easy it is for me to get in there. Okay. Well, luckily I was working on some stuff earlier. I got a flatbed screwdriver. So what I'm gonna do, there we go. Now, obviously, I took this in on consignment, so I'm not gonna get in trouble. But guys, folks, this is how easy it is to break into an RV just like that. Look at that. That easy. So here's my point. In the description box below, I'm going to link a safety feature so that way you never have to worry about your windows being broken into ever again on an RV that easily. They'll have to literally break the window and cause noise to actually get in. That is the easiest way to get robbed blind and clean and no one ever know something happened. Now I'm gonna lower that seat. I can lower it now from the inside and bingo. Now the good news is I can clean this travel trailer up and get it ready for sale. The bad news is I just showed you how you can easily get your travel trailer broken into. So make sure you take a look at the description box below. No, it's not a sponsorship, but if you do buy the product, it does help the channel. Until next time, remember, RV always stands for toolkit and sense of humor.